Here is a Christmas bread roll, which is very delicious, full of the Christmas flavors, and perfect to share with your loved ones. Enjoy! Combine in a bowl a mix of your favorite dry fruits. I have in here 50 grams total of a mix of raisins, apricots, blueberries, prunes, and cranberries. Chop the fruits so that they are the same size and add 80 grams or a third of a cup of triple sec or brandy. Use a silicone spatula to mix all the ingredients and let the fruits macerate for about 24 hours so they absorb the liquid. You can also prepare your own fruit peels or buy them at the store. You have seen me in the past prepare my own peels. It is a very easy process. Just cut the peels in small pieces, boil them twice for about 20 minutes or so, and finally cook them in a syrup of equal parts of water and sugar until the water evaporates. Let the peels dry well before using them in a recipe. The dough for this bread is very easy to make. Just pour in the bowl of a stand mixer 60 grams or a quarter cup of milk, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 50 grams or a quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon plus 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a half teaspoon of ground cloves. Add 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt and 150 grams or 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients with a silicone spatula and finally add 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. Knead all the ingredients with the hook attachment until the dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl for about 20 minutes. Take the dough out of the mixing bowl. Place it on your working table and make a ball of dough. Place the dough in a proofing container and let it proof in a warm place for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, shape the bread. This is a very easy bread roll to shape. Use your hands to stretch the dough. Add the dry fruits that have been macerating in the triple sec, the candied peels of lemon and orange, and 75 grams or a third of a cup of mixed nuts like almonds and walnuts. Make a roll with the dough and make sure to seal the roll well in every side of the roll. Transfer the roll to a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Make sure to leave the dough seam side down. Cover the dough with a lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough proof for a couple hours. Place the dough in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until the bread roll is golden brown. Let the bread cool down completely before you slice it. This bread roll is a delicious treat to enjoy the Christmas season. I hope you can try it. Enjoy! Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I hope every one of you has a very Merry Christmas.